In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best drawing tablets in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which drawing tablets is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Mloong Drawing Tablet. Educational toys for kids, this LCD writing tablet could be used for the doodleboard or a kid's drawing pad, visual aids, toddler's drawing boards, graphite tablet, or magical children's boards. It's the perfect present for your child. Also, it's a great gift for birthdays, Thanksgiving Day, etc. Erase key and lock on screen. LCD drawing tablet comes with an erase key, as well as a screen lock. If your child wants to create a masterpiece that will always show on the screen, simply lock the screen. If your child wants to start with a new creation, simply open the screen and press the erase key to erase the screen. Protect eyes of children. This LCD writing board comes with 10 inches color screen. Without radiation and no flash, safe and comfortable even during a long period. It has enough space for writing and simple viewing. It also lets your child's imagination and enhances the education of preschoolers. Portable and durable, the writing board weighs 175 grams, and it is only 1 3 inches thick. Here is the item number 4, UGEE Drawing Tablet. Large Active Drawing Space, UGEE M708V3 Graphic Drawing Tablet features 10 by 6 inches of large active drawing space, with papery texture, which provides a huge and smooth drawing space for digital art creation. It provides a smooth, no-like sketch drawing experience. 8192 Active Stylus Technology. This is a more economical active stylus technology that offers the highest level of pressure sensitivity, which allow users to draw lines that are of any thickness and weight depending on how much pressure is applied to their pen. Clearer lines with less pressure and a more thick line when using high pressure, ideal for creating art or a unique brush effect to enhance photos. Compatible with multiple software and systems, strong tablet that can draw on the computer, work effectively when used with Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7 or Mac OS X 10.10 or above. Driver software works with creative software like Photoshop, Illustrator, Macromedia Flash, Comic Studio, SAI, Infinite Stratos, 3D Max, Autodesk Maya, Pixelogic ZBrush and more. Ergonomically designed shortcuts, 8.8 customizable express keys on the side for shortcuts such as eraser, zooming in and out, scrolling, undo, and scrolling adds more features to your convenience. It also helps increase the effectiveness and efficiency of creating using a drawing tablet. The item number 3, TEKFUN Drawing Tablet. Eye protection and non-radiation LCD writing tablet have 8.5 inches of space for children's drawing and writing, allowing children's imagination. The eye safety screen is colorful and doodleboard provides a better painting experience. Without blue light or glare is a way to avoid injury to eyes that of children from prolonged usage. A clean home, there's no mess at home. LCD writing tablet can handle 100,000 writing lines and allows you to draw lines with hard objects or a stylus. The line's thickness depends on the amount of pressure you push. It will also meet your drawing requirements. The battery built into the device can be replaced to allow for repeated usage of your drawing table. There is no charge to make sure that you don't waste paper. Safety upgraded, the latest version features a tiny fixed screw to secure the battery case. This is more secure for kids. Simple operation drawing tablet utilizes pressure-sensitive technology. The colors will automatically show when you touch the screen. Number 2 in our list, Wacom Drawing Tablet. Certification works with Chromebook, the only tablet for drawing that is accredited to be used with Chromebook for teachers, students, and artists. One from Wacom is easy to set up and use for any task. Innovative electromagnetic pen technology, bring your presentations and projects into focus using pen technology that matches your movements using precision to control precision. A natural pen feel, the comfortable 2048 pressure-sensitive pen that is battery-free is extremely responsive and easy to use and gives you that familiar pen-on-paper feel you get from drawing and sketching. The perfect tablet for software. One from Wacom is a flexible option for artists, students as well as educators due to its versatility and compatibility. It is compatible with Mac OS and Windows and is a certified Chromebook. Wacom is the world's leader in the field of drawing tablets and displays. Over the last 40 years, Wacom has been a leader in the pen display and tablet markets. Rely on Wacom to help you. Wacom will assist you in bringing your ideas, visions, and ideas to life. The top one in our list, Wacom Drawing Tablet. Certified to work with Chromebook, Wacom is the only tablet with a drawing function that has been accredited to be used with Chromebook for teachers, students, and creators. Intuos is easy to set up and use for any task. Personalize your creative process. The 4 express keys on the tablet can be customized to suit your preferences, so you can set up your preferred keyboard shortcuts and let your creativity and process flow. Nature Pen Experience. The ergonomic EMR 4096 pressure-sensitive battery-free pen is lightweight and responsive, making it effortless to use. It is like writing on paper. The perfect tablet for software. One from Wacom is a flexible choice for artists, students, and educators due to its flexibility and compatibility. It is compatible with Mac OS and Windows and is a certified Chromebook. Wacom is the global leader in displays and drawing tablets. Over the last 40 years, Wacom has been a leader in the pen display and tablet markets. Count on Wacom to help you. Wacom will assist you in bringing your ideas, visions, and imagination to life. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best drawing tablets amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.